Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad RAFIE by INMANSYAH, class 2MA. Here I will explain how to replace the drill head. First, prepare the tools, namely an Allen key and a hammer to open the drill head. Then, prepare a new drill head. After that, open the drill head by inserting the Allen key in the middle of the drill head. Then tighten it using the charge wrench. Then it hit the Allen key with a hammer until it opens. If it is open, install a new drill head. Tighten it using an Allen key by inserting it into the center of the drill head where it locks. Hit in using a hammer until it is tight. The drill is ready to use.